What's up, guys? Thought I would show you my change of setup here on my table saw and router table. I initially, temporarily, I'd fixed this little jig here that slid over top of my table saw, clamped in place on this little T-track here, and I could do inline routing. So the problem with that would be every time I needed to use the table saw, I would have to remove it. So I decided to go with T-tracks, and I'm going to eventually put more this way so I can still do inline routing without having to use my table saw fence. But most of my routing, mortise and tenons and such, is just like so. And I can rip up to 13.5 inches. Well, actually just a little over that. Maybe 14.5 if I decrease this all the way down. I can still use my cross-cut sled, and I can nearly use my picture frame jig. I haven't yet tried my tapering jig yet, but I think so far this is the best setup for me. I've got dust collection overhead with glass gates. I've got dust collection underneath with glass gates. I've got a box I built there for the Incra clean sweep here. Works great, probably gets 99% of the dust. But that's a quick overview of my change. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. God bless.